This is a brief overview of Research Paper 1. You can see the yellow headings. I'm starting with don't procrastinate on this. There are going to be two papers. I have a chart here explaining the differences. The first is basically a library research paper on an issue of your choice. I will describe in a moment. You will use a tool you may already know from business, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, which is called SWOT analysis. And I give you the length. Paper 2, you will gather information from people through interviews or survey tools or focus groups, however you all want to divide it up. You'll use a different business tool, which you may or may not be familiar with, Pestle. Okay? And this is the same as this, except now I'd like you to include some charts and description of the charts. Tons of support materials are for you there under the left-hand tab, reports, team presentations. I should say presentation, DINK, and PowerPoint. Okay, I'm really working on you to help increase your business analytical skills. And I know many of you have already worked on this type of reports. Now, I've at a student request provided you ideas on how to select a topic, okay? And those are the topics. Those are the ideas. You can consider the physical location and the professional development areas. And you will divide yourself up by your Yellow Dig introductions. And I list a bunch of jobs here. And then please consider your lifestyle, because that could impact. I've also now given examples of past student-generated topics for food for thought. The rest is standard, giving you all of the requirements. I think you'll have to meet virtually at least once in the tool Collaborate, which is explained and linked, etc. on the left-hand link about this activity. I show you how to use a group discussion board, so you can, use discussion boards as you're used to just for your team. I give you some suggestions on your first team meeting, okay? And subsequent meetings, peer feedback so you can improve your writing. I give you sections of the paper that are so detailed so that it's, I hope, not a tedious process. Okay? And I think that should do it. I show you how to get into the library if you can't remember how to do it, step by step. I show you exactly how to APA the resources that you find, because everybody's going to find them virtually through the library. I give you the layout examples, a warning on using Google Docs. It's a good tool, but just remember, it doesn't download well into Word, and you have to make sure, it's good. At your level, I think you already know that all about MS Word self-correction features. All right. I think this is a decent overview for you. Holler if you have questions.